These are the disassembly instructions for a Compass Rose 2000 or 3000 model AutoHelm. It was manufactured in England by Nautech. It's hard to say how old it is, but it is well over 25 years. Nautech was purchased by Raymarine. To disassemble the unit, use a small, flat jeweler's screwdriver or something similar to pry off the top Nautech faceplate in the center of the compass knob. Undo the screw. To make it easier to put back together, align the compass rose. I use the north setting with one of the side grooves. Pull off the compass rose. Unscrew the two screws. Turn the unit over so the top is resting on the table. Separate the two halves by slowly lifting the bottom half up from the top half. Unclip the connector from the circuit board. The harness leads to the top red and green LED LEDs. Note the two ridges go to the outside and notice the tiny bit of plastic covering one of the holes. The compass will stay in the top section for now. Pick out the center of the on-off wheel. Then, with a small pair of long needle nose pliers, undo the slotted nut about one turn and then pull the wheel off. Do not force it. If needed, undo the nut a bit more. Unclip the bottom connector from the circuit board. Now push the two main cables into the body through the cable seals. The circuit board should now feel loose and you should be able to lift out both boards and expose the connectors. There is a 4-wire plug that is attached to the lower circuit board that controls the motor. In my case, the issue was very simple. The twist ties that kept the power cable inside the bottom half had given out, and the wires had been pulled out from the bottom half enough to unplug the 4-wire power connector from the lower circuit board. To be sure, the wires in the top case were taped to the inside of the case so they could not interfere with the compass. Took the compass from the top case and carefully placed it on the top circuit board, and then attached the connector to the circuit board, and then placed the top case back on.